Okay, today the first thing I want you to do is take a piece of paper, and you'll write this down and you'll turn this into me. I want you to think about what career or job at this point in your life do you plan to pursue. And then I want you to tell me what is involved with seeking a career, what steps need to be taken to reach a career. Does it require college? Does it require a master's degree? Does it require moving to a different area of the nation? And write down your top 3 choices that you think right now of jobs that you would like to pursue. When you're trying to decide on a career, I want you to start thinking about, do you enjoy working with people? Do you enjoy working with information and things? Do you enjoy technology or hate technology? Think about your hobbies, favorite school subjects, interest, or your special talent. Identify your top choice and then write out for me short-term goals and long-term goals in order to obtain this job or career. Okay, next in your packet you need to grab the Alpha Brief shown here, and then you're going to read the top, the Socrates quote, and I want you to write just on a piece of paper real quickly, what do you think this quote means to you? Next, turn to one of the few good astronauts, read through this. You're going to pick one of these positions to write a business application letter to for that position. On the next page there's a sample letter that you will use. I'll show you here in a second how to use the Microsoft Word, and you will put in your own information here, and then you will type in exactly what is here and here, and then of course here you're going to tell me all the great qualities about you, why I should hire you for this position, and why you are qualified for this position. Any job that you apply for, you have to send in a letter of application, so this will be great practice for you. Okay, grab a computer. All the computers should have Microsoft Word on them. If you can see my little arrow here, kind of circling down at the bottom left hand corner, you will hit the Microsoft symbol. You'll go up to Microsoft Word. If for some reason yours does not show up in the immediate, depending on the computer you have, then you just go to All Programs and go from Microsoft Office, right here, Microsoft Word, and open that up. And then from there you're going to go to File, New, and you're going to use you will scroll down to where it says Letters here, double click on that. We're going to do a business letter template, click on that. And honestly, it doesn't matter which one of these, but let's just do announcement letters. And we'll do the first one because it's the same format, so it doesn't matter. It might take it a moment to download, and you should get a screen that looks like this. Now what you can do, it has it all formatted for you, so you don't have to worry about spacing, all that stuff. You just need to click at the end of a line that you need to type in your information. You go left click, and then you backspace, and then you can type in whatever you need to type in. And you follow that process all the way down. When you get to the body of the letter, quickest way to do that is to go to the end, hit right up before the sincerely, hit left click, and then you can hold it and drag. I'll drag it all the way to the top, and I will hit backspace, and then I can enter my information, my letter that I want, that I'm amazing in, all that good stuff. Okay? If you don't know your address or the school address, just go ahead and make up one, or you can look it up on Google as well, or ask one of the other teachers. I'm sure they could tell you what the school address is if you don't know your home address. And then make sure that your body of letter, make sure you say what position you're applying for. So you'll start out with, I am applying for the position of da-da-da-da, and then tell me all the reasons that we should hire you, and kind of link them to what are the job qualifications that were in the brief, or the ad. What are they looking for? And you kind of want to tie in those keywords into your body of the letter, proving that you're qualified for that position. Once you have that all typed up, print it out, and turn it into me on my desk. The final part of this lesson is you need to fill out the application, the astronaut application. With most jobs that you apply for, they have an application that you have to fill out. Now, of course, you don't have work experience and all that stuff yet, so this is where you get to make it up. Fill in as much stuff that you know as far as like your home phone and all that stuff, and then fill in stuff as you need. Okay, and then once that's done, leave your packet on my desk and I'll look at it. And then comes the job interview. Now, of course, since I don't have you in class and we're doing this as an independent project, what you're going to do is just answer the questions that are included in your packet instead of me interviewing you personally. So you want to try to be positive and give me all the great qualities when you answer these questions, and how you want to answer in a way that it makes you relevant for this job. So when I ask about what hobbies do I have that would help me in this job? questions, come see me. That is it for this lesson. Go ahead and go on to the next video, and we'll see you next time.